to excite your students with computer science and AI? In this screen-free lesson called Bee-haviour, students will engage with the concept of events, which are actions that can cause something to happen within a computer program. We kick off with a big question to spark curiosity. What happens when a bee sees a flower? The question ties directly into real-world concepts, making it relatable to both students and teachers. We'll explore the topic through the computer science concept events. In groups of 4, each student picks a minifigure, which indicates their roles in the collaborative building process. Students will build a bee with a color sensor and double motor. Students take turns showing Lego bricks to the color sensor and explore how the bee responds to different colors, which are pre-programmed into the hardware. Students will describe events with a sentence, when blank, then blank. For example, when the bee sees yellow, then it moves forward. Then, students use what they've learned about events in their own creative builds. A flower, a beehive. These colorful builds all activate different bee movements. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to say, I can describe different events. I can explain how an event works. I can model an event. This is the first of 4 lessons in the events unit. As students progress to the next lesson, they will use Coding Canvas to program different events and practice debugging strategies. At the end, they can apply what they have learned through an open-ended design challenge. All materials for this lesson can be found on the LEGO Education Teacher Portal. Lesson plan, ready-to-use classroom presentation and facilitation notes. No extra prep time needed.